Like, share, and subscribe to Mango Readers, where stories come alive and kids fall in love with reading out loud. Give us feedback in comments, and we will share more stories with you. That Egg Is Mine, a Duck and Cluck book, a silly story about sharing. Tra la la la. Hey, Duck. Yes, Cluck. That egg is mine. No, this egg does indeed belong to me. Actually, you are wrong. I believe you are mistaken. You stole it. I'm not a thief. My egg is blue with white spots. But my egg is blue with white spots too. Are you sure? I hid my egg behind the ladder in the barn, and then I covered it with hay so no one would see it. Did you see my hide the egg? Did you see me hide the egg? Where did you find it? Well, that is a funny story. I was outside and I saw it roll by. Oh no! Come back, egg! It bumped, it flew, it thunked, it scored. Whoa, yikes, plonk, no! It rolled and rolled and rolled and rolled and plunked into the pond. I am a good swimmer, so I got it back. That does not mean it is your egg. I found it, so it is my egg. Let me hold the egg. I do not think so. I just want a closer look. Okay, but be gentle. Thank you. Run! You are a thief. Bring back my egg. No! Crack! Quack! Quack! I am sorry that I took the egg, Duck. I really thought it was mine. I understand, Cluck. We all make mistakes. But I always knew that was not your egg. Ha ha ha. Like, share, and subscribe to Mango Readers, where stories come alive and kids fall in love with reading out loud. Give us feedback in comments, and we will share more stories with you.